Dear children, welcome back to the mathematics class. In this video, you have a new unit, Unit 11, Pattern. So let's study about the pattern. Let us understand what is the meaning of pattern. The definition of pattern is arrangement of numbers, alphabets, geometrical figures or objects in an order is called pattern. Once again, arrangement of numbers, alphabets, geometrical figures or objects in an order is called pattern. When we arrange the numbers, alphabets or geometrical figures or objects in a pattern, that is in an order, that is called to be the patterns. So we observe patterns around us. In nature we observe, in materials we observe, in art and architecture we observe. So repeated patterns will add beauty to the objects. So for example, I have here the 4 examples for you. So let us go through the example one by one. So in first example A, you see here a rickshaw, then a truck, again a rickshaw, a truck, rickshaw and truck. So an arrangement of the objects, what we can see? Arrangement of objects. So this arrangement of objects is called to be the pattern. So we observe here, after every rickshaw there is a truck. So after every rickshaw we see a truck. So next, in an order, after the truck again there is a rickshaw. So you can observe here. So the arrangement of rickshaw, then truck, again rickshaw and truck. So this is a pattern. And you can see there is an order of arrangement. So coming to the next one, example B, we see the arrangement of fruits. So apple, then banana, again apple, again banana, apple, banana. So the arrangement is as follows. Coming to the example C, we see numbers, arrangement of numbers. Numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Why these numbers are written? Because they are the multiplication. They are found in the multiplication table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Given is the multiplication table of 2. So the next number is going to be 12. In the sense, if we continue the multiplication of table of 2, the next table which we will get is 12. Coming to example D, 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, 23. What type of pattern it is? It is a pattern of numbers. So how do we understand 7 comes next, 11 comes next, 15, 19, 23? It is because 4 is added to the previous number. When we add 4 to 3, we get 7. Again you add 4 to 7, you get 11. Again you go on adding, you go on getting the numbers repeatedly after adding 4. So these are the 4 examples we can see how the pattern of number, geometrical figures or else any objects are used. Let us solve the exercise A from page number 98. So we observe here some patterns are given. So let us continue the patterns. Let us draw next 4 more patterns. Coming to the first one, we can see a star with a dot, then a plain star, again a star with a dot, then a plain star, then a star having a dot. So what should be our next picture? We should draw a star. So this is a star. We need to put a dot here, children? No, we should not put, because we need to draw a plain star. So let's draw next star with a dot in between. Again draw a plain star. Again draw a star with a dot in between. So we have completed the pattern. Pattern 1. Coming to the next one, you can see a rectangle having a dot at the bottom, that is right side. Then a rectangle having a dot above, that is right side. Then again rectangle having left side, again this is dot is left side. So to continue the 4 patterns, observe this pattern is from this side, that is pattern 1. So what we need to do? Pattern 1 is given. So once again let us draw a rectangle. So this is a rectangle having a dot at above. So you need to draw the rectangles neatly. So let's do a dot at the left side. Then let's draw another rectangle. Use a scale to draw and draw here at the bottom. So here we have completed. Look at the pattern. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it looks similar. So no, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the way you need to complete the patterns by looking at the picture. Sometimes 2 patterns will be repeated. Sometimes 4 pattern will be repeated. So you need to observe carefully how many patterns they have given to you repeatedly. If it is 2, you can just continue 1, 2. If it is 4, you should say 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming to the third picture, you can see a triangle which is facing below. Then a triangle facing, base is facing above. So like that you need to complete the triangle. So let us draw a triangle with the base above. Then again a triangle here. Okay. So here only you can see only 2 patterns, that is 1, 2. A pattern gets repeated. Only 2 types of patterns are given to us. Coming to the next one, you can see 1, 2, 3. A circle, a square and a triangle. Again circle, square and triangle. Circle, then comes what? A square, then a triangle. Again draw, children. Circle and a square. Then comes what? A triangle. So coming to the fruits, pattern 5. Apple, orange, apple, orange, apple. Later you need to do an orange. Then apple. Then orange. Again apple. So coming to the next one, ice cream, chocolate. What do you need to do? After an ice cream, you need to do a chocolate. Then draw an ice cream. Again draw an chocolate. Again draw an ice cream. Coming to the letters AE, double AE, triple AE. Then what you need to write? 4 times A and E. Put a comma. Then write 5 times A and 1 E. So this way you need to complete. This is letter E. Okay. Coming to the next pattern. What you can observe here? So I'll just erase it and write properly. so that you should not get confused. So this is E. MLO, MLO. So here only one type of pattern is there, children. So no need of changing the pattern. Coming to 81, 82, 83, 84. Next comes 85, 86, 87. Coming to that 10th pattern, A12, B34, C36. Example 10, you can see in that pattern number 22 is added for the numbers. For A12 you should add 22, you get 34. Then 34 again you need to add 22, you get 56. If you add 22 for 56, what you will get, children? The letter should be D, and add 22 for 56, what you will get? 78. Yes, 56 plus 22 is 78. Add 22 for 78, what you will get? 100. Yes, that is E. E 100. So again add, you will get F 122. So this is the way we need to write down the exercises.